Hello everybody and welcome to this epic yarn unboxing. If you want to hear the story behind this and if you want to see what is in this box, which is very big and heavy, then keep watching. So, the story behind this box is a lovely lady called Mariska. I think she's Dutch basically, so hi. She contacted me on Instagram and she said that she was doing a yarn de-stash. Did I want some yarn? So I was like, yeah, but I'm really poor at the moment because obviously I'm at uni. And I was like, oh no, ask somebody, honestly, it's really lovely for you to ask me, but I really can't afford it at the moment. And she was like, oh no, it's free, it's free. I'm having like this huge de-stash. And I was like, oh, okay. So hello if you're watching. And I did not expect this. So she sent me the biggest box I have ever seen in my entire life. And this is all jam-packed with yarn. So I've unwrapped it just because I fight to get into boxes, and she did say it was coming in a banana box, and can I just say this is going to get me over my phobia of bananas in the supermarket and banana boxes, because I used to work in Sainsbury's when I was very much younger back in the day, and Sainsbury's is a UK supermarket. So we used to hear the horror stories of spiders coming in with the bananas. So I totally point blank refuse to touch bananas because of spiders. And yeah, I'm soon going to be over it, aren't I? Because look at all this. So I have, yeah, like I said, taken the paper off, and it did have a lovely note on the top, which I've taken out, which I don't want to read out because obviously it's really personal and it is really lovely, and it nearly made me cry, and now I've got to try and get the lid off. So let's get going into this humongous box. So, oh wow. I'm going to try and tip this so it doesn't all fall out. So these are on the top. Let me go through. Oh my god, they are so lovely. So they are just some shades of DK that are very beautiful, and I will definitely use these. So I've got all these, those are lovely, and a tin, and if you know me, you know I am obsessed with tins, so that is amazing. Oh, it's got all like needles and hooks and stitch markers and some really cute ribbon. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, I'm a bit far away. I needed the table space. Oh, wow. I'm literally going to cry. So I'm just going to pop these down here so we have room. Now this box is jam-packed. Absolutely ram-jammed. So, oh my word. Oh my word, let me see if I can tip this. I have no words. Oh, sorry, the sun's gone in. Look, can you see? Let me stand up. That is crazy. For once, I am actually speechless, which is like a miracle. Gosh. Look! They are beautiful. So this is Fenna. I've not heard of this brand. I think it's a Dutch brand. Yeah, the Netherlands. That is crazy. Look, they're so pretty. Oh, look, that's like a watermelon. I don't know what to say. I am like totally speechless, and this whole box is just literally packed with this yarn. So, oh, sorry, that hurt your ears. Look at these colours. That is just totally crazy, and I am really, really overwhelmed. Yeah, Alexandra's never speechless. So she did say that I could do a giveaway with this, because obviously there is quite a lot of yarn in here. So I am definitely going to sort out a giveaway, because there's no way I will use all of this yarn, and I think it's really lovely to spread a bit of yarny happiness around the world. So I will definitely sort out a giveaway for all of this. I will put the link to Mariska's, if I'm saying your name wrong, I'm really sorry, to the lady's Instagram account, because her Instagram is absolutely beautiful. So you can go and follow her. Yeah, this is just like totally crazy. I'm sorry about the sun going in and out. This is like totally mad. I've never ever received anything as generous, and that's just crazy. So yeah, I am definitely, I love it. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I'm definitely going to do a giveaway. So let me sort that out in the next few weeks. And thank you so much. I'm going to read your note now. I'm not going to read it on YouTube because it's obviously a personal note. So I'm going to go and fill my bath up now and wallow in all this yarn, because I can, because it is beautiful. Oh my word, it is so pretty. Thank you so much. It is lovely. Happy crocheting, and I will see you all soon.